Yeah,
Sure.
that protest there. So it's not a threat.
Sure.
Yeah.
I see. Okay. I'll let you go briefly because I know that you have to get back to the team to prepare them well.
Yeah.
But what will be your expectations going into this game? You are playing against your big brothers. They have won it before. For you, this is your first time.
Yeah, exactly. They've won it before. They have a rich culture. They have all the experienced players. Yes, we are here to manage the game, play to our game identity, and make sure that we create chances and we take them. That's
All right. Fiifi, we wish you the very best, and I'm sure after the game, I want to see a smile on your face, a winning smile.
Yeah, definitely. We are here for that.
Okay.
Yeah.
The fans are here. They are here because of you. Banana Inn FC, Friends of Golden Kick Sporting Club. You must not disappoint, coach.
No way. We are not going to disappoint them. They know what we are capable of doing. We are here to entertain them. They trust that we can entertain them. That's why they move all the way from their various destinations to come here to experience the history that is about to happen. Yes.
Thank you very much. We wish you the very best. So, Francis, you heard it from the horse's own mouth. The coach has said it all.
Well, you know, Fiifi Parker is one of the brilliant coaches from the lower tier. He's a license A certificate holder, and he has been brilliant with what he has done so far. Interestingly, he's playing against the man who qualified the team from Division 2 to the to the Division 1.
Yeah.
So Coach Karim Zito, who happens to be with Kumasi Asante Kotoko, knows his opponents very well.
Yeah.
So it's going to be a fascinating battle dotted across the pitch this afternoon.
All right. Okay. Well, if there's one person that knows